Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu, find folder Samsung and click on voice recorder. Then click allow and tap on the red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the same button. If you want to save it and end it, you can click on the square button over here, enter name of your recording and tap save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, click at the bin icon at the top right corner, bottom right corner, and choose turn on recycle bin. Then move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!